The creativity, the madness that goes into it is beyond belief. The logistics, the work behind the scenes is incredible.
This is a massive event. It's a real showpiece event for us. We're working with a lot of customers. We're dressing the venue as well as delivering particular individual stands. So for us, getting that right for the customer is absolutely key.
We're offering 3 pillars of service to both the show organisers and our customers. The first one is our version of Shell Schemes, to deliver a solution to those customers who are perhaps taking a bit more consideration towards their budget. For those people who are still in those spaces but who are looking for a slightly more bespoke offering, we're taking those spaces and we're elevating them. And finally, for our clients who really want to pull out all the stops, we can offer a combination of bespoke and modular to really create unique spaces and unforgettable experiences for their customers.
So these activations really turned heads and they drew a crowd at the event.
It's more than just a stand, it's about live experiences.
We strive to develop modular stands that are integrated with bespoke elements and have digital solutions woven through them.
People don't just see these builds, they remember them, and that is the difference.
You know, the creative strategy and input that Tecna had was a level above anything that I've kind of experienced before.
Yeah, Tecna's the AI for events. Obviously, we've got Johnny doing his countdown.
3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, and action!
What's quite unique for Tecna is that we're really interested in understanding those brands and what it means to them to be at an event or be at an exhibition.
If I was to describe, Tecna, I would say that they are helping their clients shape the future with confidence.
Seeing it all come together and the execution that we're delivering for our clients right now, I would use the words transformative.
In one word, I would just say exceptional.
Flawless.
Progressive.
Success. Everyone has had such a big part to play in making this the success that it is. The only word I could say is proud.
If there was one word to describe every single project we do, it would be fulfilling.